All right, let's begin. Again, thanks everyone for coming, for braving the traffic. At least it is bright and sunny in Makati, July 4, 1:25 p.m. So still, some of you came all the way from South, Cavite, some of you all the way from the Bulacan parts of the north. Thank you very much for everyone who braved the traffic. And most likely we'll be braving worse traffic later when we go home. This is a 6-hour event. So strap in. And we do have a long line of uh, accomplished and esteemed speakers for today. So really hope you folks would enjoy today's set of DAXdakan speakers. So again, I posted about this, but we do have some non-Filipino viewers that are joining from teams, or most especially in teams. Some of them also checking out the posts that are being broadcasted, shared via LinkedIn, via Facebook. So it's a common question. What does your seminar or webinar mean? What's Daxdakan? So to the non-Filipinos out there, again, the short explanation is that dakdak is a Filipino verb, meaning to talk nonstop, to talk non-incessantly, and Dax, of course, is our beloved syntax or programming language inside Power BI, and DAXdakan is our meeting with local Power BI Pilipinas members. Language usually is Filipino English, so most of it will be in English, but expect that maybe around 20% will have some Filipino um, words in it. Topics usually include Power BI updates, best practices, features, industry applications. DAXdakan started actually as a podcast. It started online, started via Teams, and we would just gather around, talk about back then, usually Power BI updates, what's new. And it kind of evolved into where we are right now. It kind of evolved into an informal meeting maybe a couple of years ago, evolved into a more formal meeting. To those who were able to attend the ones that we had in Asian Institute of Management. So that was fun. And now we're in Microsoft headquarters, purely Power BI Pilipinas / TechBayanihan event. So again, thank you to everyone joining. We are currently live via Facebook. If you go to the Power BI Pilipinas page, I have it set up as live. Right now, sharing whatever I'm sharing in the laptop, so everyone can join, even the non-Teams users, just in case we still have those. And just in case, again, you are new to attending these, we are Power BI Pilipinas. We were founded way back March 2020, post-pandemic, actually in a way pre-pandemic, since I remember joining one of the Microsoft events locally, attending a Power BI update meeting of sorts, and then I remember asking myself, I hope we have something that's more what do you call that? More spontaneous. I hope we have a local network that I can actually ask questions about and not just wait every month for a certain meetup to happen. And that's where this all kind of started. Currently, we are 25,000 strong, and we are all over the web. The QR code is the QR code that is flashing there is the QR code for Power BI Pilipinas' tap link. It just houses all of the social media channels that you can reach us or me at. At the bottom of it is my LinkedIn profile, so feel free to connect. And yeah, to mention, we do have a Facebook page, a Facebook group, a LinkedIn page, a LinkedIn group, a Fabric community group, a Discord channel, YouTube channel, TikTok channel. So I've been all over, yeah. And maybe I haven't, yeah. One thing that I haven't started is Instagram, maybe in the future. And for the mission and vision, as far as the mission goes, it always has been to make sure that everyone in the group, especially the local boys and girls, the Filipinos, are would have easy access to either free training, to either them asking other folks about questions that they may have in utilizing Power BI. So pretty proud, pretty happy with where we are right now. There was a time, March 2020, maybe even early 2021, where I was the sole person answering all of the questions that are being posted in the FB group. And sometimes I would also post my own question and answer my own question and like my own answer. So that was a phase, which is similar to Reddit. Actually, if you read about Reddit's history, that's kind of where it started as well. The developers themselves, those who set it up, would ask the questions and then answer it themselves just to spark some conversation or at least have something running. So that's kind of where it started. Happy with where we are right now. We now have 9 or 11 moderators in the group, in the Facebook group at least, because that's our main channel, and that's the chats there are something that I cannot monitor anymore. At least not humanly monitor anymore. So we now have a lot of moderators looking over, and of course Facebook AI for better or for worse. As far as vision, it is to be the best Power BI community in the Philippines. Hopefully, I strongly believe, proudly would say that we are at that stage. So again, thank you, each and every one of you, whether you're on Teams, Facebook, or live. Thank you. And a few reminders. So, as mentioned earlier, before we started the talk, if you're going to post something in social media, please use the hashtag PBI10, PBI10 Pilipinas. There's an official hashtag PBI10 to those of you in the know. It is Power BI's 10th anniversary or 10th birthday. So the hashtag PBI10 is actually going to be used by Microsoft very, very soon. Maybe next week, maybe next week, maybe today. But bottom line, you may start seeing hashtag PBI10s out there. So I kind of wanted to be similar, but not too similar. So PBI10 Pilipinas. And yeah, ask. No question is too basic or too bold. I know a lot of you are introverts. Some of you, when you entered here, as in umupo sa pinakadulo, pinaka-corner, tapos lots of gaps in between. So don't hesitate to ask any questions you might have. Who knows, your question is also another person's question. And of course, network like a pro. This is a safe space. Again, alam ko may mga gaps at pinupuno nyo talaga yung mga dulo-dulo. So, it's all, hopefully, that the reason why you're here is you all love data, in one way or another. Maybe you are new to Power BI, maybe you're an intermediate, maybe you're pretty advanced and you just want to see what the new faces are like. Sorry, I'm malakas yung speaker. Or maybe that's feedback. But yeah. Oh, parang nasa bathtub ah. So, say hi to one another. You have your stickers. I printed something rin actually for names. We still have people that haven't claimed their stickers. So Arman Castroverde is at the back. He has some of the name tags that are not yet claimed. He will be announcing them maybe in a bit. After, I'll give you a chance, and then yeah, exchange contacts. Who amongst here are using LinkedIn? Yay! Is it 100%? Hopefully 100%. Since if you are looking to kind of connect professionally, mas okay sa LinkedIn kaysa sa Tinder at sa Grindr. So, I hope everyone's also aware that if you have the LinkedIn app on your phone, you click on search, there's a way to generate a QR code. And it's the easier way to exchange contacts. All right. So QR code, scan instead of searching. So I found that out very late, apparently. And lastly, share what you learn. Jot it down, post it on social media. Again, hashtag PBI10 Pilipinas, or tell a friend. The more you share, the more the learning will stick. And do I have anything else? Oh, yeah. So a reminder to those who just walked into the room, if you are on site, please do register live or register via the MS Form DAXdakan Live 2025. QR codes are on the left and on the right of the room as well. If you have someone new joining in, sitting beside you, please just tap them on the shoulder later and tell them to scan mo yun. All right. And without further ado, DAXdakan na. ChatGPT will be our first presenter. Before I intro ChatGPT, which probably is very ready at this point. Armand, do you have any announcements for unknown or unclaimed name tags? There's a lot. So everyone without name tags yet, the sticker one. Anyway, to those who don't have the sticker name tags yet, please approach Arman at the back. Very friendly guy. And you can ask him about, ano ba? ArcGIS ba? ArcGIS, Geodata, DevOps. So you can ask him about that.